ProSTART makes it easy to get started quickly with a number of options that are either customizable or ready to use as is. This video shows how to set up and control access to various tabs and modules used throughout the solution. The home page or dashboard is the first thing a user sees when they log in. The options of what they see and where they can go in ProSTART are controlled here, in the Company area within the Administrative module. The Settings tab in the Company area is for advanced customization and controls how the tabs, graphics, and other settings behave and who has access to them. If all your users will be allowed to access everything, you could just leave these settings the way they are. There are sub-tabs with settings for modules, tabs, and advanced tabs. If you want to restrict access to various areas of the program, each section offers more detailed instructions with a Help button. What the user sees on the home dashboard is controlled here by means of these little checkboxes. There are user groups that get assigned to staff and other users in the staff area, which is covered in another video. Scroll down this list and you'll see a row that represents each of the available links on the home dashboard. To restrict access to an entire module, for example the Administrative module, set one of the Module Access checkboxes and all the rows for that module will change. However, any changes you make will not go into effect until everyone in that user group logs out and logs back in again. The home dashboard settings apply only to the home screen. To fully restrict access to a module, you should also make the change in the corresponding module used in the top menu. To restrict access to just the links within a module, use the Link Access checkboxes here. You may also change the name that appears in the link, or disable it entirely for all users here. The module settings control what appears in the top menu throughout ProSTART. Scroll down this list and you'll see that the choices pertain not only to the main modules, but also to the primary tabs within each module. The order in which the modules appear left to right is controlled by the sort module number. Just like the home dashboard, all of these modules can have access restricted based on the user group assigned to a staff person. If you uncheck one row in a module, all the other tabs in the module update automatically, and the module will not be visible to that group on their next login. So when a user logs in, they see only what you have decided they need to see. You can also control access to each primary tab in a module over here. And there is also a checkbox to disable access to the whole tab. In this example, for the Administrative module, notice that only the Staff, Payroll, and Company tabs are enabled, so that's what we see up here at the top. The Sort tab number arranges the order of primary tabs from left to right, and one tab may be designated as the default that first appears when you access a module. You may also change the name of a tab up to the width of the tab itself. There are also more advanced tab settings that control the secondary tabs within the areas of a module, and if you need to drill down to this level of detail, we suggest that you contact ProSTART support for guidance. That's all for this video about settings. If you will be restricting user access in any way, we suggest you also watch the video about setting up staff and user groups.